Hello everyone, welcome to the CT 360 degrees current affairs session. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. So in this series we cover current affairs relating to GA and ESI part of your syllabus. We are here particularly targeting NABARD and RBI, but in case you're preparing for any other examination, then also these sessions they are important for you since we cover current affairs on day-to-day basis, and today we are covering it from 16th to 17th of April. We here cover all the important sources like the PIB, Hindu, and the Business Standard so that you need not to get into the sources and see which topic is relevant for you and which is not. All you need to do is watch these videos and keep on revising whenever you have time. I have stressed this enough that revision is the key when it comes to current affairs, right? And for that, we have revision series, as you already know, every Friday at 5 p.m. We cover current affairs from the month from starting from February. I think now it's done. So we will be starting now with March current affairs every Friday 5 p.m. in the form of MCQ. So do come and participate in these sessions, right? All right. So let's see what are the topics जो आज हम cover करने वाले हैं, ठीक है? So the first is that Swami Vivekanand statue in USA, very interesting person in news. Then it is Sikkim Sundari, ठीक है? This is a radio station that's also first in news because it's a border village radio station in Sikkim. Then it is Monte Carlo Masters 2026. It's a tournament we will be discussing in sports. And then Infosys and Carlos Alcaraz में एक AI partnership हुई है. We have to cover it under appointments. Then it is the Asian Wrestling Championship. Again, it comes under support and the sports, sorry. And last, it's eSafe for Cybersecurity Awareness Program. It comes under ESI for Women Empowerment. It's a safety initiative. It's a safety platform for women. So I hope you are clear with what are we going to do today, right? Now, the first thing which I need to tell you is the last time's question, the last session's question. Let me read and tell you what is the right answer to this. So India at the Asian Boxing Championship, consider the following statement. So India secured its first ever gold medal in the men's 50 kg category at the championship. The gold medal, it was won by Vishwanath Suresh. The Asian Boxing Championship is organized by the International Boxing Association. So what do you think is the right answer? So the right answer to this question is that only this statement is right. ठीक है? So it is option C, that is one only. Why? Because this statement is not प्योरली राइट क्योंकि यहाँ मुझे बहुत पता लगा था स्टूडेंट्स ने गलत किया है एक्चुअली में इंडिया हैज नॉट स्कोर्ड इट्स फर्स्ट एवर गोल्ड मेडल इन द मेंस 50 कैटेगरी बट इट हैज डन इट आफ्टर अ गैप ऑफ 5 years ठीक है आफ्टर अ गैप ऑफ 5 years they have done it. तो फर्स्ट एवर नहीं है दैट इज वाई दिस वॉज अ ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन एंड मेनी स्टूडेंट्स हैव गिवन द रॉन्ग आंसर दैट इज वाई आई एम कवरिंग इट टुडे ठीक है समझ आ गया सबको ऑल राइट नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन to the news. The first is Swami Vivekanand statue in USA. Yes, it's first ever life size bronze made. It's made of bronze statue of Swami Vivekanand. It has been unveiled in United States. Who was Swami Vivekanand? So he was a monk. He was a Indian philosopher. ठीक है जिन्होंने बहुत प्रमोट की है इंडियन फिलोसफीज लाइक इंडियन वेदांता ठीक है इंडियन योगा फिलोसफी ही हैज promoted very well. So where does this statue lie? So this statue it is in West Lake Square in downtown Seattle, Washington. ठीक है तो Seattle, Washington में इस स्टैचू को that is the life size statue को लगाया गया है at the West Lake Square and it has been gifted by the Indian Council of Cultural Relations. ठीक है तो किसने गिफ्ट किया है? It is gifted by the Indian Council of Cultural Relations. I hope you are clear till now. All right. Now, I'm so sorry. Okay. So now, why? What is the historical connection? So basically, in Chicago, at the World's Parliament of Religions in 1893, स्वामी विवेकानंद ने एक स्पीच एड्रेस की थी एक स्पीच डिलीवर की थी सो टू commemorate that they have actually put this statue in Seattle ठीक है and foundation for the yoga and Indian spirituality in the West was also started by him. It's a symbol of universal brotherhood and peace ensuring relevance of his teachings. So it's a symbol of the statue, it's actually a symbol of universal brotherhood and speech and also it ensures the relevance of his teachings. It promotes his teachings in the West and also it strengthens the tie between India and US. So I hope you are clear with first news, right? Now let's move on to the second news. It is Sikkim Sundari. So this Sikkim Sundari, it is a community radio station, border community radio station that has been launched by Indian Army. The frequency is 88.4 FM. ठीक है, and it's first ever border radio station that has been introduced in Sikkim. ठीक है, it is led by the Trishakti Trishakti Corps. ठीक है, किसने लेड किया? It is led by the Trishakti Corps and launched by Indian Army as first ever community radio station in the border village of Sikkim. So basically ईस्ट सिक्किम में है, ठीक है, ईस्ट सिक्किम में इसको लॉन्च किया गया है. इट इज़ बेसिकली टू सर्व द रिमोट हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड रीजन्स, ठीक है, एंड उनको द इंफॉर्मेशन दे कैन बी गिवन अबाउट द लोकल न्यूज़, अबाउट वेदर अपडेट्स दे कैन बी टोल्ड, ठीक है, अबाउट गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स एंड पब्लिक इंफॉर्मेशन दे कैन बी टोल्ड. सो दैट इज वाई इट हैज़ बीन डन. इट इम्प्रूव्स द लास्ट माइल कम्युनिकेशन एंड कनेक्टिविटी. सो इन अ हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड रीजन वेयर इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट टेरेनियन, वहाँ पर इनको लगाया गया है, इनको लॉन्च किया गया है FM रेडियो को, so that people can know about all the things that are going around them. ठीक है, I hope you are clear with this as well. ठीक है, चलिए. Now it is Monte Carlo Masters 2026. So this is a big news because Jannik Sinner, he has defeated Carlos Alcaraz. Carlos Alcaraz, again question आपका आ चुका है इस पे. I have again covered many news related to him. ठीक है, so Jannik Sinner ने defeat कर दिया है Carlos Alcaraz को and he has won the Monte Carlo Masters 2026 का title. ठीक है, so this it's a professional tennis tournament जो कि हर साल अप्रैल में कंडक्ट किया जाता है एंड ही हैज रिक्लेम्ड द वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 रैंकिंग. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट एवर मॉन्टे कार्लो मास्टर्स टाइटल फॉर सिनर. ठीक है, तो हम ये दोनों नाम याद रखेंगे, हु हैज डिफीटेड एंड हु हैज वन. ठीक है, चलिए. नाउ देयर इज अनदर न्यूज रिलेटेड टू कार्लोस अल्करस एंड दैट इज व्हाई मुझे लगा कि हम यहीं पे कवर कर लेते हैं. सो ही हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द ग्लोबल ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ इन्फोसिस. ठीक है, तो इन्फोसिस के लिए ही हैज बीन appointed as the global brand ambassador. तो Infosys signs multi-year deal with Carlos Alcaraz. Basically what will happen, जो Infosys का AI analysis होगा, it will help Carlos to better perform. Analysis करेगा and how to better perform वो उनको बताएगा. And also at the same time they are going to support the social initiatives. कौन करेगा इनको support? कौन करेगा? The Carlos Alcaraz Foundation is going to support the initiatives, the social initiatives. ठीक है, so that is why this has been done. It focus on the integration of sports and advanced AI technology. Clear? ये भी clear. ठीक है, all right. Now the last news, no sorry, it's not the last news, I'm so sorry. So it's the Asian Wrestling Championship. So India, it delivers a strong medal performance at the Asian Wrestling Championship. ये conduct की गई. India has finished 5th overall with 17 medals. कितने मेडल्स आए इंडिया को? 17, आउट ऑफ विच देयर आर 2 गोल्ड. ठीक है, 2 गोल्ड मेडल्स आए हैं, 17 मेडल्स आए हैं एंड इंडिया हैज फिनिश्ड 5th. इंडिया का रैंक कितना है? इट इज 5th. ठीक है, एशियन रेसलिंग चैंपियनशिप 2026. नाउ दीज आर द 2 नेम्स विच वी नीड टू learn because they are the gold medalists, they are the gold medal winners. The first is the Sujit Kalkal. Sujit Kalkal इनका नाम है. ठीक है, event it was 65 kg freestyle and he's the first Indian since Bajrang Punia. So he is the first Indian since Bajrang Punia जिन्होंने 2019 में win किया था under this category. ठीक है, and इनका 3rd consecutive gold है in 2026. Clear? Now it is अभिमन्यु मंडवाल, इनका भी गोल्ड मेडल आया बट इनका इवेंट था 70 kg फ्री स्टाइल. ठीक है, तो हम ये दोनों याद रखेंगे, सुजीत कलकल in 65 kg freestyle and Abhimanyu Mandwal in the event of 70 kg freestyle. Clear है? चलिए, नाउ इट इज द लास्ट न्यूज. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ESI पार्ट ऑफ योर सिलेबस. इट्स वेरी इजी, कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें. इट्स E-Safe हर साइबर सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम. इट्स एक्चुअली अ वेरी नाइस इनिशिएटिव. व्हेन आई वाज आल्सो स्टडिंग अबाउट इट, मेरे को काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. सो बेसिकली ये एक सिक्योरिटी प्लेटफॉर्म है. ठीक है, वेयर बाय हम इन्हांस करना चाहते हैं सिक्योरिटी ऑफ वुमेन, रियल टाइम थ्रेट डिटेक्शन करना चाहते हैं, मोबाइल टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ करना चाहते हैं एंड कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं. तो अगर मैं आपको पहले क्रक्स दूँ रादर देन जस्ट गोइंग इनटू द न्यूज़, न्यूज़, व्हाट इट विल डू, दिस इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर बाय अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल बी डन फॉर द वुमेन. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ ऐसी सेंसर्स लगाए गए हैं वेयर बाय if the woman is in emergency, for example by his voice, if he's screaming, if she falls, ठीक है, if she screams, if she falls, then क्या होगा, that emergency contacts को notification या alert मिल जाएगी. ठीक है, so rather than depending upon the push button, emergency push physical buttons, ये सिर्फ scream से ही उसको जो directly है आपको नोटिफाई कर देगा. देन देयर आर ऑल्सो थिंग्स जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे विल ट्रैक योर लाइव लोकेशन एंड इफ यू आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग और इन केस यू आर डिविएटिंग फ्रॉम योर पाथ सिग्निफिकेंटली, अगर आप डिविएट करते हैं, देन ऑल्सो योर इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट्स दे विल बी notified. ठीक है, then there is also AI call simulation whereby you must have seen that many times there are women जिनको साथ क्या होता है, they are in uncomfortable position and to get out of it वो एक try करती हैं to make a fake phone call. So ये AI generated आपको actually में call करेंगे, you will actually talk to the AI and you can get out of that platform, that uncomfortable situation. ठीक है, तो ऐसे बहुत सारा tools इन्होंने provide किए हैं इसके अंदर. So launched to enable 1 million rural women to safely participate in the digital ecosystem. ये मैं आपको समझाऊंगी आगे क्या है. It focuses on the inclusive, secure digital access and empowerment. सबसे पहले हम institute framework देख लेते हैं. So it comes under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. ठीक है, so the name of the ministry which it comes under is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Then program, it is Information Security Education and Awareness Program. I'll repeat it. It's Information Security Education and Awareness Program. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कौन कर रहा है, बाय द सेंटर ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एडवांस्ड कंप्यूटिंग एंड द पार्टनर इज रिलायंस फाउंडेशन इज अ पार्टनर. ठीक है, सो रिलायंस फाउंडेशन इज अ पार्टनर, कम्स अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. क्लियर? ठीक है जी. तो अब what I was actually referring to, so they have planned that they will actually make 1 million women as cyber sakhis in the rural areas. Now what are these cyber sakhis? Cyber sakhis basically are digital friends. ठीक है, नाम से ही पता लग रहा है, it is digital friends. So what they are planning on doing is they will take women from the rural areas, they will train them and then so that they can actually help the women of the rural area and women in general. ठीक है, तो इनको सारा कुछ ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी. ठीक है, साइबर सिक्योरिटी अवेयरनेस, सेफ डिजिटल प्रैक्टिसेस एंड कॉन्फिडेंस इन ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शंस, इनको ये सब कुछ सिखाया जाएगा सो दैट दे कैन एक्चुअली हेल्प देयर पियर्स. ठीक है, तो ये कम्युनिटी लेड प्रोग्राम है एंड वेयर बाय इट इज नॉट जस्ट लिमिटेड टू देयर सेफ्टी फिजिकली, इट्स ऑल्सो लिमिट, इट ऑल्सो एक्चुअली एक्सपैंड्स टू द सेफ्टी इन द डिजिटल इकोसिस्टम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे विल बी टॉट कि यूपीआई को कैसे सेफली यूज करना है, बैंकिंग अगर आपने करनी है ऑनलाइन आप कैसे सेफली यूज कर सकते हैं, हाउ टू जनरेट पासवर्ड्स जो कि स्ट्रॉन्ग पासवर्ड्स हो. ठीक है, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, इफ गॉड फॉरबिड्स एनीथिंग हैपन, सो व्हाट आर द रिपोर्टिंग एजेंसीज वेयर यू नीड टू गो. सो ऑल दिस विल बी डन. ठीक है, ड्यूरेशन इन्होंने टारगेट रखा है 3 years, फेस्ड स्केलिंग टिल 2029. ठीक है, एंड दिस इनिशियल साइबर सखी जो इन्होंने स्टार्ट कर दिया है ट्रेनिंग इन द रीजन्स ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश एंड ओडिशा एंड देन नेशनल वाइड एक्सपेंशन भी ये स्लोली करेंगे. ठीक है, सो इट्स अ कम्युनिटी बेस्ड पीयर लेड मॉडल, ये मैंने आपको बता दिया, थ्रू सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स. सो दे आर गोइंग टू ट्रेन दीज साइबर सखी सो दैट दे कैन हेल्प them to feel secure and to make them aware of the digital ecosystem, how to use digital ecosystem very carefully. It focuses on the last mile digital and cyber awareness. Again the same thing, that they want that not even a single person, not even a single women should be should remain जिन्होंने ये यूज ना किया हो या हु इज स्टिल अफ्रेड ऑफ यूजिंग डिजिटल सर्विसेज. ठीक है, सो दे वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट एवरी पर्सन, एवरी स्टैंडिंग पर्सन, एवरी लास्ट स्टैंडिंग वुमेन, इट इज कैप्चर्ड विद इन दिस इनिशिएटिव. ठीक है, builds digital gender responsive digital safety ecosystem. It integrates with the existing digital literacy and women empowerment programs. It enhances the cyber risk awareness and secure transaction, and it ensures scalability, sustainability and no parallel infrastructure burden. ठीक है जी, I hope you are clear with this as well. Now let's move on to the practice MCQs and see how many of you have actually understood it. ठीक है, So the first is the eSafe Her Cybersecurity Awareness Program. You have to consider the following statements. It aims to create cyber sakhis to train women leaders to promote cybersecurity awareness. The program, it targets reaching 1 million women within the duration of 5 years. It follows a community-based peer-led model implemented through the self-help groups. The initial rollout is planned in Madhya Pradesh and Odisha before the national-wide expansion. So very easy question. To get the right answer is 1, 3 and 4 because 2 May it should have been 3 years. That's all. Okay? Done? Alright. Now, it is Sikkim Sundari Community Radio Initiative. Recently in news is best described as it's a biodiversity conservation program that is launched by the government of Sikkim for protecting the alpine flora. A community radio initiative of the Indian Army aimed at empowering the local communities and promoting awareness in border areas. A tourism promotion campaign that focuses on the ecotourism in the northeast India, a disaster early warning communication system operated by the NDMA in the Himalayan states, and a skill development scheme for women entrepreneurs under the Ministry of MSME. So, what do you think is the right answer? Straightforward question. It is option B. That is, it's a. I'm so sorry. It should have been B. I forgot to change it maybe. So it's B. Okay, the right answer is B. A community radio initiative of the Indian Army that is aimed to empowering local communities and promoting awareness in broader areas with the frequency 88.4 FM. Okay, clear? All right. Now the question that I've prepared for you, it's again a straightforward question. Do let me know what you think is the right answer. Okay. So who won the gold medal in the 65 kg freestyle at the Asian Wrestling Championship? You have to tell me who among them he has won the gold medal in the category. Category they're asking is 65 kg freestyle category at the Asian Wrestling Championship 2026. Okay. So I am waiting for your answers in the comment section. Do let me know what you think is the right answer. And if you want the PDF of this session, it will be available on our Telegram channel. You can download it from there so that आपको एक revision tool मिल जाए. ठीक है? So thank you for watching this video, and now I will see you on Tuesday with another set of current affairs. Bye bye everyone.